Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Obage DT-51 speakers. So as you can see, it's a massive box. These are really big speakers. It says deep bass, noiseless, Bluetooth inbuilt, and it's compatible with a whole range of devices including your mobile phone and your laptop, your television. You can pretty much hook this up and you can enjoy music or you can enjoy good audio from this. Let me tell you some of the features that are written on the side of this. So it's a heavy double woofer, double midway speakers, double tweeter, clear sound output, FM radio playback, USB SD card for MP3 playback. It's compatible with PC, mobile, DVD, TV, DTH, laptop and your iPod. It has a wide frequency response, bass treble gain control, front digital display, and it also has a remote control. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open this massive box up. So right before I actually take the speakers out, there's a little note from Obage. That's what the remote control looks like. There you go, that's the remote. So these are the speakers. I'll see if I stand them up, you won't be able to see the tops. So for now, I'll just lay them down. So there you are. At the bottom of the speaker, there's a QR code given for which you need to scan to register this product. So that's what one of the speakers looks like. I'll just keep it here while I open the other one. Okay, there's the other speaker that's opened up now, and I'll just lay this flat for now. So there you are. Once they're standing, this is what they both look like. Oops, this one is upside down. My bad. So there you go. These are both the speakers once they're standing. It comes, as I mentioned, with a remote control. So I'll just put the remote control there, and in the box you also get this little packet. So this contains a bunch of cables and connectors which you're going to need. So there's a bunch of cables that come. I'll just put them in front, and so 4 cables in all. I'll just ask my producer to tilt the camera down slightly or move the camera further back so you can actually, oh wait, what I'll do is I'll remove this further back so you can actually see the cables now. So there's the remote. There are 4 cables that come, which I shall just put right there. This already has, one of them have a bunch of cables connected at the back. So there's a user manual right there, as you can see, of Obage. It's a user manual. Again, there's the QR code given at the back where you can scan the device. I would recommend that you read it at least once. It will help you in setting this up. Keep that down. There is this sheet of paper which gives you information about the various aux cables that come with this. So it actually tells you where to connect it, how to connect it, what you need to connect up. That also I'll leave here to the side, and of course I have taken the remote out. There were these 2 documents. This is a little welcome note that's basically saying hello music lovers. These are, by the way, designed and manufactured in India, and it just tells you a little bit of a welcome message from Team Obage. And this is your warranty registration document which you need for your warranty. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Obage DT-51 speakers. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.